All right, guys, we got a 2000 Mercedes compressor, 230 AMG, supercharged. What we got done on it for you guys. Got factory converters right there, double. Comes with two huge converters right there. Then the manifold's up there. All right, and then 2 1/4 pipe all the way back. Then what we did is a muffler delete right there into 3-inch tip. Carbon fiber, really nice tip. There'll be a link in the description for it right there. You guys can see. And it's an SLK 230 AMG. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, much better. That sounds good. Oh yeah. There's sound decibels. Yeah. Bro, it hit 117 on the sound decibels. That's crazy. Heck yeah. Supercharged. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. That's awesome. Let you guys hear on the inside. Better than being in the rain. Yeah. Until he pulls off, and then I'll go out there.